Firstly, have the bracket installed in advance. Subsequently, insert the camera into it. The DVR is equipped with a battery, enabling it to operate without an external power supply. Mobile online viewing. Long press the function key to pop up the QR code. Scan the QR code to download the app, connect to the Wi-Fi, and then you can start watching. Be equipped with lighting. "2K video recording supported with anti-shake."